Hello everyone, hello my students. Welcome back to my online class. How are you today? I am good, thank you. So, do you know what day is it today? Today is Friday. And today we will learn Move Up 2, Unit 1, Family. Everyone please open your books page 17. Are you ready? First, now everyone let's listen to a song about letters.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
In the morning, brush your teeth.
In the morning, brush your teeth.
E, F, G, H.
E, F, G, H.
Hurry up and don't be late.
Hurry up and don't be late.
I, J, K, L.
I, J, K, L.
Learn the letters very well.
Learn the letters very well.
M, N, O, P, Q.
M, N, O, P, Q.
What we say is what we do.
What we say is what we do.
R, S, T, U.
R, S, T, U.
You love me and I love you.
You love me and I love you.
V, W, X, Y, Z.
V, W, X, Y, Z.
Start again and chant with me.
Start again and chant with me.
A, B, C, D. In the morning, brush your teeth.
A, B, C, D. In the morning, brush your teeth.
E, F, G, H. Hurry up and don't be late.
E, F, G, H. Hurry up and don't be late.
I, J, K, L. Learn the letters very well.
I, J, K, L. Learn the letters very well.
M, N, O, P, Q. What we say is what we do.
M, N, O, P, Q. What we say is what we do.
R, S, T, U. You love me and I love you.
R, S, T, U. You love me and I love you.
V, W, X, Y, Z. Say goodbye and wave to me.
V, W, X, Y, Z. Say goodbye and wave to me.
Bye. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye.
Okay, did you enjoy the song? Now let's go to the lesson right now. Lesson 3. Sounds and letters. Look, what letter is it? Do you know what letter is it? This is letter N, right? Now please say N. N. Letter N. Sound N. N. Right? Listen.
Letter N. N.
So letter N is for nose, right? You know, letter N is for nose and neck. So today, let's learn about 2 more words of letter N. Listen.
N.
Nut,
N. Nut. Look, can you see? Nut. This is nut. Again, n. Nut. Well done. And the second one,
N.
net,
N. Net. This is a net. Net. Well done. So what letter is this? This is letter O, right? Letter O. Letter O like a circle, right? Letter O is for orange. And letter O is for octopus, right? Now listen.
Letter O.
Letter O. Sound ah.
Ox.
Say ox. 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 This is an ox.
Olive.
Olive. Olive. So now
Listen
everyone
and repeat.
listen and repeat.
Letter N. N. N.
Nut.
N.
Net.
Letter O.
Ox. Olive.
Okay, so everyone, let's listen again and repeat. N. N. Nut. Nut. Net. Net. Ox. Ox. Olive. Olive. Well done. Now everyone, let's listen and chant.
2. Listen and chant. N, n, nut. N, n, net. This is an ox. These are olives. The ox has a net with nuts and olives.
Okay, so can you read it again? N, n, nut. N, n, net. This is an ox. These are olives. The ox has a net with nuts and olives. Good job. So now look, let's find and circle. What is this? This is an ox, right? So we circle letter O. Can you find a way from the ox to the olives? Let's circle letter O. And
Letter
you
O.
can find letter O. You can find the way to olives, okay? Here are letter O's. So we can find a way to the olives. Well done. So now everyone, let's look at this flashcard. Okay, look at these pictures. And tell me, the first one, what is it?
Nut.
Nuts.
Nose.
Nose.
Ox.
Ox.
Orange.
Orange.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Olive.
Olive.
Neck.
Neck.
Net.
Net. Okay, now one more time. Nut. Nose. Ox. Orange. Octopus. Olive. Neck. And net. So now let's play the game. I will play the music. So when I stop the music, please tell me what picture is it. Are you ready? Now let's go to the first one. Okay, stop. So you can tell me, what is it? This is a nose.
Nose.
Well done. This is a nose. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Ready? Stop. And can you tell me what is this? This is an octopus.
Octopus.
Well done. This is an octopus, right? Let's go to the next one. Stop. And can you tell me this picture, what is it?
Nut.
Nuts. Well done. Nuts. Okay, nuts. The next one. Stop. And can you tell me what is this? This is a net.
Net.
Well done. Net. Okay. And the next one. Okay, so look at this picture. What is this? This is an ox.
Ox.
Well done. This is an ox, right? The next one. Okay, so can you tell me this picture? This is olive. Olive. Thank you. So, it's time to say thank you everyone and goodbye. See you again.